Welcome to today's guide on sharing your WhatsApp channel link. If you're looking to grow your channel, sharing it is a great way to get the word out. In this updated tutorial, I'll walk you through the simple steps to send your channel link directly through WhatsApp. First, open WhatsApp on your device and navigate to the specific channel you want to share. Once you're in the channel, tap on the channel name located at the top of your screen. This will take you to the channel's info page. Next, scroll down until you find the channel link option and tap on it. This action will bring up several options related to sharing the link. From the available options, select Send Link via WhatsApp. This will open your WhatsApp contacts, allowing you to choose who you want to send the channel link to. Finally, select the contact or group you wish to share your channel with and tap the Send button. The link to your WhatsApp channel will now be sent directly to the selected recipient, making it easy for them to join and follow your updates. Sharing your WhatsApp channel link is a straightforward process that can significantly help in expanding your reach and engaging with a broader audience. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently share your channel with friends, family, and other contacts, inviting them to become a part of your community. And that's it. You've successfully shared your WhatsApp channel link. This method ensures that more people can discover and join your channel, boosting your engagement and growth. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.